Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to be making a ocean resin art. So let's start with today's video. So materials required for this: first I am using this clear art resin from Little Birdie, itsy bitsy. Secondly, I am using this sand. I am using a craft sand. We would require some seashells, these are optional. Then I am taking some acrylic paints in blue shades and a round MDF board. You can take any shape or size. I am using a 12-inch and some disposable cups and sticks for mixing resin. So we will start by preparing our base. So I have added masking tape or clear tape around the base, and we are going to elevate the height of the board. And I'm going to start by priming it with some gesso. You can use white acrylic color as well. Now it's fully covered and dried. Now we will start by mixing our resin. For that I am taking a scale. You can even use some measuring cups for this if you don't have a scale. I am using the resin from Little Birdie, itsy bitsy. And also don't forget to wear gloves when you are working with resin. So for resin, I am taking this clear resin, the pink bottle, and adding about 40 grams of this. We need to add a resin in the ratio of 2:1. Check the bottle on how much ratio it requires, and I am going to add about 20 grams of hardener. Now we are going to mix it really well for about 2 to 3 minutes. Your resin should be mixed really well. So our resin is now nicely mixed. Now we will bring back our base. Take another disposable cup and fill it with some sand. Now I am going to mix some clear resin with it. And mix it really well. Now I am going to add it on the bottom part of the board, representing the beach or the land part of the ocean. We are making a top-down view of an ocean. Pour it on top and start spreading. You can mix and add some more sand resin if it's less. I have mixed some more and adding some more on top. Scrape out all the resin and we will nicely spread it all everywhere. Now I am taking 2 more cups and dividing the resin equally between them. Now I am mixing these 2 colors. So the first color is the teal color. Mix these colors also really well. Second, I am mixing cerulean blue. You can take other shades of blue as well. Now I will start by adding the darker color on the top. Spread it. Now I am adding the teal color. Spread it all everywhere. And start mixing both the paints, the blue and the teal color. Use the stick. I'm even adding some more color on top. Just keep swirling the stick to mix and blend both the colors. Now at last I am using this hairdryer to blend it nicely and to pop out all the air bubbles. You can use a heat gun. Now after this is done, I have mixed some white resin and pouring it in the strips. We are going to be making waves with this white color. Pour in these strips as shown. Now using a hairdryer, blow it to create waves. Use the highest power. You don't need lots of efforts for creating these waves. You can add more mix and match and create these waves. Now at last I am adding these seashells. You can even add some rocks. So this is the final result, and we are going to leave it to dry for 24 hours. And our ocean resin art is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.